Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time clicking on my video and seeing this beautiful wonderful face, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for joining me and clicking on this video. So by the title you already know what I'll be doing. I'm feeling for some cookies today, and I said why not show you guys like the process of me baking cookies, since I don't have any videos on cookies. I have cakes and meringue cookies, but I don't have cookies itself. So I'm planning on doing a butter cookie today, and I'm going to show you guys like how I do it. So it's kind of like come and bake with me to see what I am going to do. So I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get this show on the, you know it, road.
Love is in your soul, your price is higher than gold.
So to start off this recipe, I'm just creaming my margarine. I'm supposed to use butter, please don't knock me for that, but what I had at hand is my margarine, and to that I have my vegetable shortening, and to that I also had my powdered or icing sugar. Yeah, this recipe was inspired by Laura in the kitchen. That's her username on YouTube, and I cut the recipe in half. I didn't want so much cookies, so yeah, I put my own twist to it in terms of cutting it in half, because she don't have the recipe in half on her blog, but I cut it in half on my own calculations, and I just use margarine instead of butter. So to that now I'm just adding 1 egg to the mixture. You'll start to see when I'm mixing the butter mixture and the egg, it's starting to like coagulate, if that's the term we use here. So basically, just because we're using margarine and it contains more like oil fat, it doesn't blend well with certain liquids like egg, for example. So it's kind of looking yucky, messy. Do not mind that, it'll all come together soon enough. So to that I'm adding my vanilla extract to give it its added flavor, and I'm adding my flour to the mixture a little at a time, and it will basically all come together, guys. Please, sorry for the grossness of the the mixture, but it's coming together. Okay, it's coming together, don't you worry. So as you know, I measured out the ingredients already. If you want me to share my measurements so you guys can try this at home, then let me know in the description. Is it this? No in the comment section. I'm going too fast. So yeah, so as you can see, it's starting to look decent now, and it is so easy. It's like 1 2 3. As you know, there are varieties of cookies out there. You have your butter cookies, of course, which is what I'm doing right now. You have chocolate chip cookies, you have oatmeal cookies, and the list goes on. But something about butter cookies, I went to this shop here in Jamaica, and their butter cookies was top-notch cookies, and I wanted that recipe, and this was the closest I came to a butter cookie that tasted like the one I had here at a shop in Jamaica. So this is why I normally go for this type of cookie when I'm not feeling for chocolate chips and so forth. So now I'm just showing you guys my piping bag that I'll be using. It's not a piping bag, of course, it's a Ziploc bag, but you can also use it if you don't have the actual piping bag at hand. And this is the piping tip that I'll be using. I don't even know the name, don't ask me, but I have some piping tips laying around the house, and I just decided to go for something that would just pipe up my cookies and give it this some shape or form, you know, to make it look decent for this video. So now I'm just, if you see the little white stuff, you know it's the flour bowl already, so excuse that. So I'm just adding in the mixture into my piping bag. Yeah, let's pretend it's a piping bag, okay? Yeah. And now I am just gonna pipe them out. I don't think you guys need me to do a voiceover for this part of the video, you know. And yeah, this is how I do my butter cookies or margarine cookies. them properly. But I'm gonna put them now in the oven and see how they turn out. It's been a while since I've done cookies, so let's see if I still got that cookie skill type of ability. So yeah, in the oven as I go. So about 9 to 10 minutes, and I start to see them brown after 10 minutes. So I decided to take them out, not let them stay any longer. So they are all finished. This is how they look. So when it cool, I'll just put them in a plate, and yes, these are my cookies. So yeah, that's it for come and bake some cookies type of video for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please try it at home. I'm noticing you guys are not trying these recipes at home. You need to, okay? Once in a while, that is. So thank you so much again for watching this video. Until next time, bye.